us Baby Shark do do do. That's my favorite rhyme, you know.
Yeah, it's very nice.
Yes, whenever you play Baby Shark, I'll dance. All right,
Ma'am,
Abdullah.
the last time you danced to Baby Shark in front of us was in school.
Yes, yes, I still do. Abdullah, kindly make me the host. All right, and till Abdullah is making us the host, how about we do something fun? Okay, so
Ma'am, did you like my Fuji Sakura?
bro, I want to buy it.
Ma'am,
How?
I love this activity, ma'am.
How about yeah? Oh, your tooth. Your tooth came. Yeah, yeah. Finally, you're gonna get a set of permanent ones, right? Okay. Oh, all right. Let's not do that.
I do not.
Ma'am, I already found all the words.
Ma'am, what do we have to do?
There are 6 words. There are 6 hidden words. Go ahead and find it.
Ma'am, somebody's name itself is right, and I will.
Ma'am, I get it. Ma'am, the
Ma'am,
shoes,
I
ma'am.
got,
In the shoes.
coat.
Coat.
Can you open
C-O-U-R-T, coat.
Good. Ma'am, just open annotate.
Mute yourselves.
Good.
I am not gonna enable the annotation. You have to raise your hand and you have to speak. Yes. Rishda, go ahead because she raised her hand first. Yes.
Or in the steam, I mean the smoke coming out of the chimney is S.
Okay.
The leaf on the tree is also C.
Okay.
And there's also O and R.
All right.
And there's a 3 leaves that combine into E.
All right. So you mean this is score?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Score done. All right. Aisha Kazi, go ahead.
Where the basketball net is there, behind that there's a bush. It's written basket.
This.
Yeah.
All right. Humaira Qasim.
That girl's shoes have the word
Coat. What's the word? Coat. Okay. 3 down. Muhammad Saqib.
No, ma'am, I wanted to tell the shoes one.
All right. Aisha Aga.
Ma'am, on the car window there's a word dunk.
Very good. Dunk. Okay. Anas.
At the tree, CR.
Tree. CR.
At the
Okay. That word is done, beta. It's score. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4 words are done. Umar.
N22.
Umar. Acha 10. What? 22? It's 10 or it's net? It is net. Okay, Anas. Umar, last word, Umar. Come on, go ahead. Umar. No?
Can I tell, ma'am? I got. Please, can I tell?
No, do not
Can I
shout.
tell,
Yeah,
please?
now you will not get a chance. Abdullah, go ahead and answer.
Ma'am, on the girl's head and her hand hops.
Hops or hoops? Okay? Hoops. All right. Perfect. Now count how many. Did we find all the 6 words? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Excellent. Excellent. So we found all the 6 words. All right. Now what I want you all to do is you have your textbooks with you. Okay. How about I have a video to show. But before I show you the video, I want you to get one non-fiction book that has glossary in it. A non-fiction book that has glossary in it.
मैम मैंने वो व्हाइट कलर की बुक लेके आई थी वो रोबोट
Ma'am,
उसमें वो चेक करो.
Hello,
Glossary.
good afternoon. Mandela's ma'am is yours.
Okay.
Reply to her. All of you.
Jumeria, glossary means it is a page, it's a part of the book, just like index and content. Glossary is a part of a non-fiction book that tells you, that shows you the meaning of the words. Okay, so you have to search for a book, a non-fiction book that you have at home with a glossary in it. If you do not have it, no problem.
Ma'am, I don't have it.
Okay, Humaira, that's okay. Anas, Humaira, fine, no problem.
Don't have it. You can take English
Ma'am, no,
textbook.
ma'am. I don't have.
Does your English textbook have a glossary?
No.
Then
I am doing the last line.
very good. Who's that? I'm doing the last line. Oh God, entire set fell. Woo-hoo. Okay, those of you who could get it, Abdullah, you got it? You have a glossary? Excellent. Okay.
1 minute, I'll just
See, yes, search for it. What about you, Yahya? Okay, perfect.
No,
Mohammed
ma'am.
Mahmoodi. Excellent, Mohammed Mahmoodi. Good work.
got my English textbook.
Very good. You had to get your English textbook right at the beginning. Good work. Hamza, how about you?
No, ma'am.
That big dinosaur book doesn't have a glossary, Hamza?
And I also do not have clothes.
The encyclopedia that you showed me?
Let me check, ma'am.
Please check. Because I'm sure it must have, you must have that book. And it must have glossary. Yeah. Can we not do that? How about you go and search for the book rather than playing with your cube? Yes, yeah. Yes, Juveria, did you get one? Aisha Kazi, very
Ma'am,
good.
this book has
Ma'am,
glossary.
I've seen
Perfect.
that book, but it's somewhere.
See,
I
got it
can't find
completely
it.
Right.
Okay, no problem. Yes, Umar.
Come back along with us.
All right, excellent. Okay, so
Sorry, it's brand new.
few of you have it. No problem. Keep the book aside. Let's watch a video first. All right. Now that we've, yes, good, Aisha Kazi. Okay.
And one
Now
last
that we've
thing is,
seen
we
a
have
movie,
Shabana
Juveria,
ma'am
can you
here.
mute
Shabana
yourself?
ma'am.
I'll mute it. Okay, I'm done. Okay, I did it. No problem. Okay, so now in the last class, we watched a movie called The Meg, right? Yes, everybody. Now, it showed how they killed the Meg and everything, but what if you encounter a real life shark attack? Okay, so what are you supposed to do? Let's watch a video on that. Okay, how to survive a shark attack.
Ma'am, it's bright side now.
No. I actually previously I had a bright side video, but it was too, I did not find the content that appealing. This is much better. Ready, everybody? Mute.
What is
Muted
your
yourself.
name? Write it in the.
My name is Baby Shark Doo. Okay.
Ma'am, I don't have any book that
No
non-fiction
problem.
book that has.
No problem, Aisha. No problem. We ready for the video? Should I play?
A shark fin is heading straight for you. Steadily, terrifyingly, the shark is closing in. Even if you don't have galeophobia, which is a fear of sharks, you're certainly scared now. Should you stay still? Should you splash around and throw underwater punches? How do you keep from being bitten? Well, here's how to survive a shark attack according to science. The first set of tips in this video will teach you how to avoid sharks in the first place. And the second set will teach you what to do if you're being attacked. First, stay away. Don't swim in deep water or in harbor entrances because those are sharks' favorite places. Don't swim in the dark either. This isn't just a shark horror movie trope. Sharks hunt at night, and unlike you, they can see in the dark. Second, if you see a shark, stay still. If the shark is not attacking you, but simply swimming nearby, don't agitate it by flailing your limbs and making a big splash. Just float, move very slowly, and wait for the shark to swim away. Third, don't pee. Urine attracts sharks. While you may feel lazy and relaxed while floating in the warm ocean water, remember that it's a lot easier to swim back to shore and find a bathroom than it is to lose a leg. Blood attracts sharks as well. There's not enough evidence to know for sure whether menstruating swimmers and divers are more prone to being attacked, but it is widely known that an open wound releases enough blood to excite sharks. So if you're wounded, leave the water. Now, these are good tips for avoiding sharks, but what if one is a spear gun or knife will add pain to your punch, so use them if you have them. Sixth, leave the water. Even if you've beaten the shark off, it could very easily return. Sharks are known to leave temporarily, only to return to continue their attack.
Ma'am, would you please
Seventh,
do it
get
again
medical help.
where you could
You were bitten. Stay calm. Keep your blood
if
from
the
being.
shark is attacking you, you could punch it and get it out, because my dad was gone, ma'am.
Fight. Punch and kick the shark as hard as you can and as often as you can. The best places to strike are at the shark's most sensitive body parts, its nose, eyes, and gills. Sharks are known to give up and swim away if they get hit hard enough. A spear gun or knife will add pain to your punch, so use them if you have them. Sixth, leave the water. Even if you've beaten the shark off, it could. Sharks are known to leave temporarily, only to return to continue their attack. Medical help. If you were bitten, stay calm.
So, ma'am, you're muted.
Ma'am, but I don't know how to swim.
Okay. Then all the more better. You will never encounter a shark in your life. If you-
I know how to swim only. Why will I go in the between of the ocean?
Right. Very true. But even I don't know how to swim, Umar, yet I went for scuba diving. Okay. So, I mean, those are activities that you enjoy and you don't
Ma'am,
necessarily
that's
need
why
to know.
I hate swimming in the beach water, but I like swimming in normal pools.
Okay.
Whenever I go to beach, then I
Now
never go
coming
in
back
the
to
water.
coming
in
back
the middle of ocean.
coming back to Ibrahim's question, there are certain places in the United States where sharks do, like, swim up to the shore, not up to the shore, near the shore water, the shallow waters. And I have heard of places like San Francisco specifically being in the news. All right. So that's that. Now, I hope you all must have learned how you can avoid a shark attack. Yes, Anas, go ahead. You wish to speak?
Ma'am, Dude Perfect, the team do challenges
Yes,
of
yes, I know.
how many sharks they can catch.
Really? Oh my God.
Ma'am, what if a whale rampages? Whale.
Whale rampages, then you are definitely either you are in the Arctic Ocean or in the Antarctic Ocean. And I don't know why would you go there.
Ma'am, can we kill a whale with sword knife?
No.
And
I don't think so. That was specifically
yeah,
for
ma'am, what
sharks.
happens-
Sharks are definitely lesser than the whale, smaller than whales. Yes, Rishta, go ahead.
What if you encounter a jellyfish? We were once in Destin and we saw a jellyfish.
Wow. You saw a jellyfish?
You said never.
No, I think my mom saw it.
Wow. Jellyfishes are pretty as long as they are far. Okay?
Ma'am.
Because they sting and they can give you a shock. Yeah.
No, no, they were like, it's on the shore.
ma'am,
Oh.
And poisons.
Ma'am, you
It's
know
a
what do they?
poisons.
It has
Jelly-
poison. Yes. Yes, Abdullah.
Ma'am, if you bleed a shark, it is very good because the other sharks will attract that shark, the same shark, and then it
But
will.
provided you move fast away from there, otherwise the other sharks will think you are also a food and they will eat you along with the blood. Also, one fact that I learned from this video was I always knew that sharks are attracted to blood. I had no idea they are attracted to urine as well.
Have you seen
So
the movie
that was
47
like a
meters
new
down?
fact. Sorry, which movie?
Ma'am, have you seen the movie 47 meters down?
No, I haven't.
Ma'am,
Ibrahim, but I saw Aquaman. Yes.
If you are like, if a shark comes to attack you, mostly a whale or a dolphin helps you most of the time.
Really?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
I've seen a video,
Wow.
a whale, a video of a whale and a dolphin helping a family.
That is amazing. No wonder I had always loved dolphins, out of all the big fishes. Dolphin was my favorite.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes.
Dolphins are friendly too. They can be easily our pets.
Ma'am, even
ma'am, Yaya is
even
showing me
whales.
shark. Ma'am, Yaya is showing
Ma'am,
me shark.
even whales.
Yes, yeah, sure. Even
ma'am,
whales?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Yes,
Yeah,
Umar.
ma'am.
Yes, Umar.
They are very big and they have very big mouths. So you know how they eat? They just open their mouth and swim in the water so that all the food that is there it gets sucked up in its
Ma'am.
mouth.
This is
If
whale,
we are
right?
swimming,
Ma'am.
yeah. So if
Yeah.
we are swimming in front of the
video on
whale's
that.
mouth, then we will also get caught in its stomach.
Ma'am.
Then we'll have to make dua like Yusuf alayhi salam
Yeah.
to be thrown off the shore if we get stuck in the whale's
But,
stomach. Okay, Umar wanted to speak. I'll give Umar chance to speak. Yes, Umar.
Ma'am, Anas also wants to speak. He is
Yes,
raising
yes,
his
yes.
hand from here.
Okay, so after Umar, we'll go to Anas. Go ahead, Umar.
Sharks are afraid of dolphin. If the shark moves somewhere, so it always checks that there is no dolphin around.
All right, that's
And
one
ma'am,
fact that we got to
whales
know. Yes.
have a very big mouth, but they can only swallow a very tiny
Krills,
amount.
krills
Ma'am,
specifically,
have you
right?
seen the
Yes.
movie 47 meters down?
No,
Have you seen the movie?
Ibrahim. No, Ibrahim, I haven't seen that movie. Anas, go ahead and speak.
And sharks eat food and water in the same time.
Yeah, obviously they're underwater, they'll eat food and water at the same time, right? But there's this, do you know how the whales remove all the excess water from their body?
Yeah.
No.
With that, I think they have a thing up there like that.
Yeah.
On their
Blowholes,
back, they have blowholes, that's right.
Yeah.
They have a hole, it's called a blowhole, and they remove all the water from their body, okay? So only the food remains. I had no idea what blowholes was until I saw the movie Finding Nemo. and the way Marlin and Dory escaped from the blowhole, that is when I got to know, okay, whales do have blowholes. All right.
Ma'am, when the sharks are near the shoal, then if you have a dog, then they will help you. Dogs
Are you
bite.
sure? Or the dog would get eaten up too.
Yes, dog can't swim. Some dogs can.
No, if it's on the shore.
But the dog can get.
No, if it's on the shore, not in the water. Like if it's near on the shallow water.
I think that's an opinion and not a fact. Okay, that's an opinion. So there's a difference.
Ma'am, the shark is not.
Scientifically proven. Facts are scientifically proven, and opinions is something that you think about it. Okay, so this is the difference between a fact and an opinion. Now, how about we open our textbooks? Okay, open to page number. I'll tell you. Yes, a minute. Just give me a minute, please. What page number is this, bro? Shark facts. I have. Tell me.
And which page number?
Umar is telling us the page number. For me, the page number is too blurred. It's a comprehension after your compound words page.
Ma'am, page number 24.
Thank you so much. God bless you for this. Page number 24, children. Everybody on page number 24?
This page?
Yes.
I'm shark facts.
Yes, yes, that page. All right. So now that we all are on the same page, perfect. Now that we all are on the same page, how about I go ahead and read it for you and you have to carefully listen, all right? And I will check whether you're listening or not by asking you questions.
Sorry, which page?
Page number 24. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and read it out loud. So you guys have to pay attention and I'll check whether you're paying attention by asking you questions, okay? So be ready. Most shark facts. Most sharks are less than 2 meters, that is 6 feet long. The smallest shark is only 25 centimeter, that is 10 inches long. A shark's skeleton is not made of bone, but gristle, rather like the tip of your nose. A hammerhead shark is named after the shape of its head. Sharks have between 2 and over 100 pups. Female sharks give birth to their babies away from other sharks and where there is plenty of food. Swimmers have been attacked by sharks in some parts of the world. The great white shark is one of the most dangerous sharks. However, far more people are killed by cars than by sharks. All right. So, were you paying attention?
Yes.
Yeah. Now, when I ask you a question, you got to raise your hand. Okay. The first question to you is, what is the title of the text?
Shark facts.
Shark.
Umar. Too bad, Umar. Okay. Yeah. Go ahead. Answer.
Shark facts.
Shark facts. Okay. Now, what kills humans more than the sharks? Yes, Juvedia.
Car accidents.
The car accidents, or yes, the car accidents kill the humans more than the sharks. So it's most likely less chance for you to encounter a shark attack than to encounter a car accident. All right. Now, how about you guys go and silently read all the 5 facts about shark again in your mind. Read it silently, everybody. Okay. And then I have few questions and activities based on them. Come on, carefully read it.
Done.
Perfect. Super speed.
Done.
Good.
Ma'am, what is gristle?
Gristle?
The tip of your nose and your.
It's a cartilage, okay? It's not a bone exactly, but it's a very hard tissue. It's a very hard tissue that is flexible, okay? Like the tip of your nose. You see my nose moving? Okay, yeah. Your nose will also move. So this part, it's not a bone, it bends, it moves, but it comes back to its original.
I'm done reading.
That is gristle. Good, yeah. Umar, you completed reading. You have something to say? Go ahead.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am, but I fractured my nose 2 times and my nose
Ear.
is on here, ma'am.
Yes. So you do fracture.
And your
So
ears
nose
also.
is made of both. Up till ear, till your mid nose, you will have the bone. Okay, that we usually see in the skeleton's face. You know that A part. This is the bone. But down from there, the one that is moving. I look so funny. The one that is moving is a gristle. Okay, it's flexible.
Ma'am, the ears.
You can move it, but it will come back to its original format.
Ma'am, the ears.
Yours
Ma'am.
also. Very good. Okay, wait. I have a question for that, Mohammed Saqib. Okay.
It comes back to its shape.
All right. Don't spoil all my fun activities, please. I know you are intelligent, so let's use it accordingly. Come on. How long are most sharks? Come on. Raise your hand, Aisha Aga.
2 meters.
2 meters. Okay, 2 meters. All right, very good. And how?
2 meters and 6 feet. Sorry.
6 feet. Okay.
Less than 2
2
meters.
meters. Less than 2 meters. That is, we can say it is 6 feet tall. Okay. So anytime you encounter somebody who is 6 feet tall, you know the shark is that long. Okay. All right. What about the Meg? How long do you think is the Meg?
50. 50.
72.
Rushda.
50 and 100.
72 feet.
70 to 90 feet long. All right. Meg
How
is
much
that-
meters? How many meters, ma'am?
That would be 25 to 27 meters.
So long.
Yes. All right. Now, what apart from your nose do you, where apart from your nose do you find gristle in your body?
Yours.
Years.
Yes, Mohammed Saqib has already said it first. Okay, so
Ears.
it is the ears.
Ma'am.
Now, do you think you can bend
Mouth.
your ears, everybody? Yeah? Just bend your ears and see it will go back.
The mouth.
Yes. Mouth. Mouth is not a gristle.
And-
It's a-
Can we test directly without raising hand?
No. Why would you do that? Okay. Now, if a hammerhead shark is named because of the shape of its head, what do you think will we call this shark? I'll show you the picture. Wait.
And can you repeat the question?
I'll repeat the
I did not
question.
understand.
If a hammerhead shark is named after the shape of its head, okay, what do you think will we call this shark? Look at it very
Bottlenose.
carefully.
Bottlenose shark.
Tiger shark.
Tiger shark.
shark.
Very good, Muhammad. Yes, that's excellent. Tiger shark. Why, Muhammad? What did you find?
Because
It says it on the tab over here.
I thought the Windows name is Tiger Shark. Shark.
Muhammad.
Then there are also cheetah spots.
Yes, there are also stripes. Okay, so apart from being smart, Muhammad was also observant. Thank you so much. He was like, because the tab name was Tiger Shark. All right. Okay, next, coming to you. What is the young one of the sharks called?
Pup.
Pup. Okay, what is the young one of this called? Chicken.
Hen.
Chick.
How dare you? Who said hen? Go back to the previous class.
Understood.
No, just kidding. Okay, it is most
Chick.
likely chick. All right. How about this?
Deer.
Deer
Calf. Calf.
What is the young one of a deer called?
Calf.
No, not a calf.
Yeah.
Deer
kid.
What?
Deer kid.
Deer kid? No, please. Thank you so much. It's called a foal. Okay, FOAL. I don't know if I have a picture over
And
here.
the horse also is called a foal.
Yes, I think. I don't know.
A giraffe's baby is called a calf.
Hmm?
Cow baby.
Mm. Mm-hmm.
Man, fawn.
Hmm. Fawn. Okay. A horse's baby is called a foal, and a deer's baby is called a fawn. All right.
Ma'am, horses is
Lamb.
Pony.
Lamb.
Lamb. The young one of a sheep
The
is
little
called lamb. Okay.
Oh.
Oh my God! Look at Ibrahim. Look
goat.
at Ibrahim. Who's Matihar is one?
Bakri.
All right.
Ma'am, I am using
Bakri. Who said Bakri?
and calf.
You guys are so funny.
Calf. I lost internet. That's
All right. What do we call the young one of a goat?
Lamb.
calf.
Calf.
Why?
Scarf of its shape, ma'am.
Kid.
It's called a kid. All right.
It's
Bacha.
a kid.
Bacha. All right. Bear.
Cub.
Cub. Okay. It's called a
Ma'am,
bear.
you
cub.
remember the cubby holes?
Yes.
Panda.
I remember the cubby. Dog.
Panda.
Puppy.
Puppy. Butterfly.
Butterfly.
Caterpillar.
Caterpillar. How bad? Owl.
Owlet.
Very good. It's called an owlet. Okay. Young one of an owl is called an owlet. Cow. Everybody knows. Everybody knows. Calf. Pig.
Pig.
Why
Going.
are you showing big disgusting?
Piglet.
Piglet, yes.
Piglet.
Piglet. All right. Cat.
Kitten.
Kitten.
Elephant.
Elephant.
Baby elephant. Baby elephant.
Nannasa elephant.
Baby elephant. Bacha elephant.
Keep quiet. Elephant, calf.
Ma'am, what is a megalodon?
Eggy.
Megalodon is megalodon.
Megalodon.
Ma'am, charcoal is the pre-ball form. Ma'am, do you
It's pony. It's not pony.
Four.
It should be pony.
It should be pony, but you feel it should be pony. It should be
Mama Sakib, do you love My Little Pony? Mama Sakib sees
A
that.
fool?
not a fool. Fool.
Pole.
Ma'am, it is a fool.
You are a fool. This is not a fool. It's a foal. Okay?
No, ma'am, it is pony also.
No, it's listen.
Pony is
listen
just
to
a
me.
smaller version of horse.
Yes, pony is a
That's a
type.
girl form.
No, pony is a breed of horses. Okay, it's a different breed of horse. Please don't do that.
Then it
You
is
are making
That
it loud.
has a choti.
Ma'am, it's like
That has a choti.
Choti. Oh my god.
Ma'am, it is donkey.
You guys are funny.
Choti.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
Moving ahead. Too much.
Duckling.
Ducklings.
Duckling.
Duckling. My god. Ducky
Duckling.
नहीं बोला किसी ने. Thank you.
Ducky. Ducktails. Ducky.
Dog.
Tadpole.
Tadpole.
Either my internet is bad or your internet is bad.
Your internet.
Tadpole.
Tadpole. Yes.
Tadpole.
Very good. A tadpole. And rabbit.
Bunny.
Shut up. Where is my scale? I'll beat you with this. Bunny is not a.
Ma'am,
Oh my god. No.
Bunny is the same thing as rabbit.
Virtual Mar, yes.
Bunny is the species of rabbit, like cottontail.
No, it is not a species. Bunny is what we call them. Okay, bunny rabbits. It's the name of a cartoon.
In Zootopia, like in Zootopia.
Rabbitlet.
In Zootopia. Rabbi?
It's not rabbitlet. It's kitten. Kit.
Huh?
What? Kitten.
The unbelievable express faces you're not making.
Ma'am, he has bitten me.
Kitten.
Ma'am, your
Ma'am, your cards are telling false.
Okay.
Ma'am, they are all
Oh my
false.
god, that was a disaster.
It's a kitten. Ma'am, what do you call a shark?
Pony is not horse ka bachcha, then it is donkey ka bachcha.
Ma'am, we will call a dinosaur baby a dinosaur.
No.
Donkey's bacha is also called a.
Dinosaur.
Oh, ma'am, dinosaur.
Ma'am, your internet
call a
is
dinosaur
very
baby what?
poor.
Ma'am, Dynalet.
Let's call
Ma'am,
it
can I say something? Ma'am, baby dinosaur. Baby dinosaur. Ma'am, the great white shark, the pre-ball form is the little white shark.
Mute yourself. That is the punishment I'm giving.
Baby shark could do.
I know too much. You're not letting the baby shark talk at all.
Ma'am, what is
Alright,
the next
now-
animal?
We're done.
No, ma'am, give me an animal.
Find a word in your text, in your passage.
Ma'am, what happened?
Ma'am, your Wi-Fi is gone.
Do you know megalodon?
Okay, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody?
Yes.
So I can hear a few and my internet connection is a little unstable, okay? So bear with me, all right? My apologies. Now, find a word from the text that means more, to have more in number.
Most.
I don't have book.
Okay, ma'am.
Multiple.
Plenty.
Plenty. Okay, plenty and multiple. Okay, multiple and plenty both means to have more in number. All right. So underline those words, multiple and plenty. They mean to have more in number.
In any page?
No, page number 24. Textbook.
Oh.
What, Aisha?
Ma'am, atom.
Now what's that?
Ma'am, where is it?
Page number 24.
Ma'am, multiple is not there only on that page.
Okay, multiple is not there, only plenty. Fourth.
Also there, most.
Okay, most, yes.
Plenty.
So fourth bulletin point. Fourth bulletin point.
Plenty of food.
Plenty of food. That's right. So the word plenty means more in number. Okay.
Babies, plural form, babies.
Babies, plural form. Yes, very good. Okay. Now, why do you think? Why do you think? Have you underlined the word? You want me to wait for you? No.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. No.
No, ma'am, we don't.
One is saying yes. The one is saying no. What am I supposed to do? Okay.
Ma'am, where do we have to write?
On page number 24, the fourth bulletin point, there is a word called plenty.
Ma'am, do we have
more
to
in number? Okay.
also?
Just underline. It is okay if you wish to, Mohammed Saqib. Just underline the word plenty. Come on. All right.
Plenty of
Now,
food.
now one question for you. One question for you. One question for you. Why do you think the sharks attack the swimmers? Everybody will get a chance to speak, but you have to give only 1 point, only one
What
opinion.
did they attack?
My question is, why do you think the sharks attack swimmers? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Today is a comedy day. I don't know what is wrong, but let's go ahead. Okay, I'll take from Humaira first. Humaira, as soon as you speak, you give your point and you mute yourself. Okay? Come
Okay,
on.
ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, shark like the chickens. The chicken.
Swimmers. Why do they attack the swimmers?
The swimmers are also attacking that fishes, and the shark is also attacking that.
Perfect. I love your answer, Humaira. So she says this because the swimmers attack first, the sharks attack back. Muhammad Mohammadi, your hand is like Statue of Liberty.
Yes. Entering the shark's territory.
Okay, the second opinion given by Muhammad Mohammadi is entering their territory. Nobody likes it, so shark attacks.
Harming the sharks and their food. Killing and eating their food.
Raise your hand, Fazlani. Yes, Juveria.
Because they think that we are dangerous.
Okay, because they feel endangered. All right. Yes, Rushda, coming to you.
Both of them said what I was going to say.
Perfect. Okay, Aisha, you invisible Mehendi. You're drawing on your hand. No, Aisha Kazi. Go ahead.
When people go for researching sharks and studying about them in the water, so they do not like it. The sharks.
Okay,
So
all right. The sharks, they have sharks need to be given privacy. Okay, they need their own privacy.
Really moody.
You cannot just go and enter sharks' territory anytime you want.
Why do sharks want privacy when they are naked?
Now, privacy doesn't mean you have to be naked. Not giving privacy doesn't mean you have to be naked all the time. Okay, even if you are fully clothed, you still need privacy. What if the sharks are doing something? What if they are eating their favorite meal and they don't want to share it with anybody? Yes, you need to give privacy.
I think that we will eat all their flesh.
That's right. Okay, Mohammed Saqib. Mohammed Saqib, how about you? You had raised your hand.
Because the swimmers don't kill the shark for the fins.
Okay, swimmers kill sharks for the fins. All right, definitely. You guys have to remember. Listen. This is the highlight. You guys have to remember the points given. Okay, because then you will have to differentiate between what are opinions and what are facts. Opinions are something that we think. Okay, and facts are something that are scientifically proven. So what Mohammed Saqib said is a fact, that swimmers at hunt, they fish for sharks for their fins. Okay, that is a fact. Rest all that you gave, encroaching privacy or giving them time, or somebody said in the chat the swimmers get nervous and they pee, therefore it attracts the shark. So all these are opinions, all right?
Ma'am, I
Yes.
know three
Ma'am,
exact reasons why sharks
Hamza.
Three exact reasons why shark attacks human. Number one, we enter that territory, and sharks are very private fishes. They do not like to be encountering another fish in that territory until unless it's their food. Second
very
part,
moody.
because great white shark and few species of sharks give babies and protect them till they are big enough to live on their own. So that's why they attack humans. Third thing is because we kill their food and their children and themselves for our food. So sharks die out of hunger. So sharks also attack humans for that reason.
Can we all clap for him, please? Please let us all just clap for him, because that was all three excellent points, and those were facts that he stated clearly. Okay, so we are going to clap for him like a mommy shark. All right, and apart from
Round of
that,
applause.
Hamza, yes, round of applause. Okay, Hamza, let me give you a name. Hamza, you are like the encyclopedia of rights. Okay, when it comes to animals, you are like the encyclopedia of rights. Therefore, I will name you Hamsaopedia. Yes, because we get all the information from him.
Alfia ma'am.
Yes, Umar.
Alfia ma'am, can
We'll let Umar speak. Humaira, we'll let Umar speak.
Ma'am,
I like Humaira's name. Mother Shark.
Animals.
Yes, Umar.
Animals.
Perfect.
Animals.
The whole Wikipedia.
Hamza. True. Very true. Okay. Let's
I
move
want
on.
to say, ma'am.
Everyone give.
Aisha, you've spoken now, bacha. You've already said
No,
a
I
point.
didn't
Can
get
I say?
chance.
Ma'am, can I say?
Okay, yes.
Ma'am,
we'll
I
give-
didn't get chance.
Okay, I'll give you chance in the next question.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, Ibrahim.
Ma'am, the question is, why do sharks attack swimmers?
Yeah.
Ma'am, because ma'am, they also pollute the water and they feel very bad for other sharks.
True. There we have the Aquaman speaking. Okay, so we cannot really.
Alfia ma'am. Water also they have cycle.
All right. Araso. Yes.
Alfia ma'am, the fishes are also catching that fish. The fishes, the sharkers think my friend is going to die. That
Correct. So the shark goes and attacks the swimmer so that to protect the fish. Okay.
Yes.
But later on, what happens? Later on, what happens? You know, Humaira?
That
The
shark
shark
only
that
dies.
was saving the fish only eats up the fish.
Yes.
All right.
No,
Next
no,
question.
the small fishes.
No, not the small
Not
fish. The big ones.
The big ones.
Ma'am,
Okay, got
the
it.
humans,
Got it.
ma'am, the humans kill all the sharks, and then after they feel guilty for the sharks, they have killed so much.
Ma'am,
I know, right? I
ma'am, I
mean,
have
Yeah.
a question.
humans are so
Ma'am, we can draw one
paradoxical.
shark.
Ma'am, I have a
Anyway,
question.
okay. Last question. When do you attack someone? I will listen to everybody's opinion.
When I am very
Okay, we
young.
have last 5 minutes. All right. How about we start with? I'll take the names. You have to go ahead and tell me. Okay. I have the list of students. Aisha Aga. We'll start with you.
Ma'am, can't you tell the squad number?
Squad numbers I don't have.
I don't even know.
Ma'am,
myself.
we remember our squad numbers.
Okay. You know what? Just put on the right group WhatsApp message squad number, your name and your number. Okay.
right
Then
now.
I'll note it down. No, not right now. After this class. For this question, when do you attack somebody?
Ma'am, it has to
Aisha,
be
go
only
ahead.
shark or anybody.
When do you attack somebody? Anybody?
I'm saying when we attack shark or when we attack
No, not
anyone.
shark. In your life as a person. When do you attack somebody?
Everyone raise your hand for chatting.
Attack somebody when
Can you mute everybody?
Or
See, I can't hear her because everybody is talking. I'm going to mute all of y'all. Only Aisha Aga is going to unmute herself and speak. Go ahead. We have
I attack somebody when I'm already feeling sad about something else, and then they come talking to me, and I'm saying, leave me alone. I will talk to you later, and then they keep on saying, talk to me, and then I will hit them very badly because I'm already in a bad mood.
All right. So that's when Aisha Aga attacks. Okay. Now you know when she's in the bad mood, you do not approach her. Aisha Kazi, how about you? Go ahead. Go ahead. Then Humaira, be ready. Juveria, Rushda. That's the flow.
Like someone keeps on saying to me some silly things
Okay.
that doesn't even make sense.
Hmm.
And when I'm studying or doing some important work.
And especially when Mustafa comes and irritates you.
Yeah.
Yeah. See how I get it. Okay, Humaira, go ahead. Tell me, when do you attack someone?
Assignment.
Ma'am, heart attack.
I'm doing some main work. That time my brother and sister came disturb me. I heard him.
Okay, you heard them. Juveria, how about you?
Ma'am,
Everybody will get a chance.
When I'm when I want to, I'm really sometimes, I don't know, always I know when Sophia comes in.
No, sometimes. When do you sometimes attack people, like anyone around you?
When Zainab and Sophia troubles me.
ma'am, can I tell?
Okay, I can understand. Rushda, I am calling out your names, child. Everybody's name. So girls first, and then I'll start with the boys. Rushda, go ahead.
I attack people on a normal basis. It's like on my schedule.
It's like I'm the jungly billy of the house.
Yeah.
Yes, yeah. All right. Abdullah Patel, how about you? When do you attack somebody? Umema has to say. Umema is going to answer that question for him.
It is not like that, ma'am. Ma'am, I attack somebody when somebody troubles my sister or troubles my friends.
I have seen Abdullah do that. Okay, Anas. I am a sole witness of that. Anybody troubling his friend, he will go and attack. Yes. Anas, go ahead.
I am angry or somebody hit me.
Okay, when you get angry or somebody hits you, yes, Anas, I have seen you doing that. Mama, how about you?
Gian also.
Gian? Mamadi, wake up. Yes. When do you attack somebody? Let me rephrase my question. When do you attack Ibrahim?
When he's very irritating.
I know.
Why do you always mention me in front of me?
Because I have only seen Mohammadi attacking Ibrahim. I have not seen Mohammadi attack anybody except for Ibrahim.
Ma'am, I have attacked many people.
Oh, ma'am, he does, ma'am.
मैम जियान जब भी गुस्सा होता है तभी नोबिता को मारता है.
And we attack Umar.
Oh, okay. Mohammad Saqib, when do you attack someone?
Ma'am, whenever I want to attack, I will attack.
What? Are you, Rushda and Mohammad Saqib, are you guys normal? I need to send help to your house. Okay, Hamdan Fazlani, when do you attack someone?
When someone attacks me and when someone heats up my mind.
Yeah. Defense, bro. Defense. Hamza, when do you attack someone?
Ma'am, I attack someone when someone attacks me. I attack for many reasons.
Okay. Because I don't have time, I will definitely. Oh my God. Amira, don't do that.
Someone attacks me.
Ibrahim, coming to you.
Ma'am, same like heart attack.
Can I say, ma'am, I attack when somebody tries to harass me and I don't feel nice, so I attack him without reason.
Quite often. And also one sentence needs to be added from Ibrahim. I attack quite often. Okay? Because he gets irritated very fast. Okay, Yahya, when do you attack someone? Yahya has been very patient. Good, Yahya. I appreciate that.
Yeah, he's a bacha.
See, ma'am, what I taught him. See, ma'am.
Keep quiet. Ibrahim?
Bada acha bacha.
Yahya, tell me when do you attack someone?
Ma'am, when I am doing some means homework or something, and someone scribble, I hit them and it must be, and when I get
Yes. Also, Yaya attacks when you do not pass the ball during a football match. That time Yaya attacks. Okay. Omar Sharif. Last person is Omar Sharif.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
listen.
Ma'am, Yaya is the goalkeeper, ma'am.
Keeper. Yes, Omar Sharif.
Ma'am, attack because they
When do you attack?
Ma'am, when they break my spec. 3, ma'am.
Your specs.
See, ma'am.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Ma'am, Ali Naushad broke my specs in football.
3.
In the past. All right. So who did you attack? Oh my god. Who did that? Omar?
Man did that.
Who?
I'm still using.
I can see that it was fun. All right. Okay. So next time don't attack Usman. Tell him nicely. All right. Now,
You know what I do when Asma?
it's already 52. I have to go. Otherwise, I'll get my sirens from the backgrounds of y'all. Okay.
Ma'am, I wanted
I
to
don't
show
want to stretch it up to 1 o'clock. All right. Next class, keep it. Whatever points you have to share with me, show me, whatever it is, all the facts. Keep it for the circle time in the next class. Just before signing off, just one thing I would like to tell you is I have uploaded a homework in Google Classroom. Go and check it out. You have to solve page number 13 of your English workbook. All right, click a picture and upload it. That's it.
Ma'am, when you are in water and you see the shark, you
Peace
get
living.
Ma'am,
I
I
will
need
not.
something precious for my
Bye. Take care.
personal